Good morning, everybody. Greer CPW's Allison Rauch, Public Information Coordinator, here to provide you an update as we enter day 3 of restoring power following Tropical Storm Helene. We accomplished our goal to restore service to the backbone feeders by daybreak this morning. This puts us in a really good position to continue restoring service to our customers. Approximately 17,000 customers have been restored at this time, and we continue to bring more customers up as we speak. Today, we are going to be focusing on areas that allow us to restore the most number of customers at a time. Right now, we are currently working in Westmoreland, Abner Creek Road area, Mount Vernon, Freeman Farm, and Highway 101, and Beaumar Road, Country Club Road areas. Now, please note, do not get discouraged that just because your area may not be listed above, or it does not mean that we are not actively working to restore service throughout our territory. Throughout the day, we will continue updating this list of areas that we're going to be working in, major areas that we'll be working in to restore service through videos and our social media as well as Facebook. Greer CPW staff will also be throughout our system to identify overhead service lines that have been ripped off the meter box and house. And I'm going to read this verbatim because I want to get this messaging right. If your service has ripped or broken off, note that it is the homeowner's responsibility to hire a licensed electrician to bring the meter base and service attachment up to code, ensuring safety for all before we can reconnect power. So our staff will be out in the area, hopefully identifying those houses and communicating to you what needs to be done before that you can get service back up to your house. So thanks again so much for your patience. I'm going to go out and meet with some of the crews. Mutual Aid arrived yesterday from Florida. We have 2 crews from Missouri and Ohio. We thank you for coming to offer us some assistance, and our entire staff, thank you so much for pitching in. This is truly a historic event that we have experienced. Customers, thank you for your patience, your support, and your well wishes, and we'll get you back up as soon as we can.